How to apply for Medicaid in New York. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser or move into Safari. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for health.ny.gov. It will land you on the official page of Department of Health. Once you're in this page, click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on Search at the bottom. In the search bar, you have to search for Medicaid. It will land you on this page. Over here it says How to apply for New York Medicaid. Click on it. Now in this page, it will show you all the instructions on how you can do it. So you can simply click on this website, the official health plan marketplace. Once you click on this site, you have to fill up some of the informations. And then follow the on-screen process and you'll be good to go. You can also call the Medicaid helpline in order to apply for New York Medicaid. From these options, apply any of the method and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can apply for Medicaid in New York. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.